I'm about to try this shit with the controller.
I tried, my controller wasn't working.
Probably buy a new controller.
Okay. Oh my god. What the fuck?
Yo,
Yeah.
I didn't want to be these
Survive until
guys.
extraction. Oh god.
Turn off.
I can see a green. I can see a green person in the distance. I'm running to it. That's my friend.
What to do?
They're after my cheeks!
Turn off your
Help!
flashlight, dude.
Yeah, you just survive until extraction. I'm running to somebody down here. I think it's Chris.
Oh, it's me. Yeah,
That's
that's me.
I'm with you guys. I'm with both you guys. Oh, it's a bunch of us. Holy shit.
Hey, he's beating me!
What?
He's beating me!
Oh,
He killed me!
Chris,
Push
that was
it.
Chris.
Push
I was
Wookie.
lost Chris.
Push was lost
One
in the
day.
forest. Oh shit! What the fuck was that?
Oh my god.
That's it, I'm coming back for your ass.
Oh shit!
I'm on fire! I'm running this way. Fuck this.
I'm just following everybody else.
Just a heads up.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god! Ah!
Hey, what happened? What's
There-
happening?
I don't know, someone threw like something at me.
We didn't even care.
The tree?
I don't know, dude. People are shooting. I'm shooting.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I need help!
I can't. I don't know what you went to, dude. Sam, I'm coming. Where are you going? The wrong way, Sam.
I don't know! I'm just running!
Fucking idiot.
I'm trying to climb this mountain.
When these things die, they sound so funny.
There's one running right towards you guys!
I killed 2 people!
Oh my god, bro. We're dropping left and right, man.
Can't hit him! Oh my god, what is going on? Poison or something! Oh my god!
I'm running into the forest.
Yep.
Say that out loud.
I'm right here with you. I'm right here with you. I'm right here with you. Run. If you can. Getting at the tree. I'm getting in the tree.
Run back to the people. Run back to the people. Run back to the people.
Yep. Oh god. Oh god.
Yeah, we're back. Get the fuck right here. They're in the water. Oh my god, get to the structure. Where's the structure?
Oh, there's so many. There's so many.
I killed the man.
Oh god.
Sam, go,
Oh god. Oh
You
god.
guys are girl
Oh god.
popping. You got 6
Okay.
people left.
Oh god. I'm going. There's people right in front of us though.
What the fuck is this stupid shit?
Oh man, no! I got speared! Right behind you! Right behind you!
He scared me. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna have that before. But this is fucking crazy. Insane.
Oh, it's like yeah, he walked.
Right here. Hey, we made it
We
almost to the
almost
end,
made
man.
it too.
Yeah, we made it almost to the end, bruh.
I was the first one, but I got the satisfaction of murdering everybody.
You didn't fucking actually kill me though, so fuck you. I got killed by something like
I wasn't trying to kill you specifically. I was just trying to get some kills, because I fucking suck.
Hey, that was actually, I felt like that was pretty easier for the Ewoks than us. It's hard as fuck to hit you guys.
Yeah, but it's hard as shit to get in front of you. So, okay, so it's hard as shit to hit us, but it's like, I think the Xbox and PC, I think they have a aimbot still.